I'm G. I'm really happy you are here today. Before we start, can I ask you something? Please answer in your mind. Do you want to speak English, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out? Maybe you know some words. You understand simple English, but when someone asks you, "How are you?" your mind becomes quiet. You forget everything. If this happens to you, you are not alone. Many people feel this way. Maybe you think, "My English is not good." Maybe you are afraid people will laugh. Maybe you are waiting for the perfect time. But today, I want to tell you something. The perfect time never comes. You become ready by starting, not by waiting. So today, let's just talk. No difficult grammar, no long vocabulary list. Just you and me. One small step. Can I tell you a secret? When I was learning something new, I also felt afraid. Not because it was difficult, because I wanted to be perfect. And that was my biggest mistake. Perfection makes us wait. Practice helps us grow. Think about a child. Does a child speak perfectly? No. A child speaks, makes mistakes, smiles, and speaks again. That is how learning works. Now, let me ask you another question. When was the last time you spoke English out loud? Not in your head, with your voice. Maybe yesterday, maybe last month, maybe never. That is okay, because today you can begin. Let's do something together. Please repeat after me. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. One more time. I am learning English. Good. Now this one. I am not afraid. Again. I am not afraid. Very good. How do you feel? A little strange? That's normal. Your mouth is learning something new. Now imagine this. Tomorrow, someone smiles at you. They say, "Hello." You smile back. You say, "Hello." That is English. Maybe they ask, "How are you?" You answer, "I'm fine." That is English too. You do not need long sentences. Small conversations can change your confidence. Let me tell you about someone. His name is Ben. Ben wanted to speak English. Every day he watched videos. Every day he learned new words. But he never spoke. One day his friend asked, "How are you?" Ben knew the answer, but he stayed quiet. Later, he felt sad. He thought, "I know the answer. Why didn't I say it?" The next day, he made a small promise. Just one sentence, no more. The next time someone asked, "How are you?" Ben smiled. He said, "I'm fine, thank you." That was all. But something changed. Not his English. His courage. And courage grows one sentence at a time. Can I tell you something important? Many people think, "I need more vocabulary." Maybe. But what you really need is confidence. Confidence grows when you use English, not when you only study it. So today, don't try to speak for 10 minutes. Speak for 1 minute. Don't learn 50 words. Learn 5 useful words. Don't wait until next week. Start today. Small steps become big changes. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. You do not have to speak perfect English. You only need to speak. Every sentence is progress. Every mistake is practice. Every day is another chance. And I believe one day you will speak English without fear. Not because you are perfect, but because you never stopped. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'll see you again right here very soon.